We're slowly getting parts together for this car. We got a Evo 3 16G right here. Hopefully we'll be able to get that thing on pretty soon. It's in pretty good condition. We're gonna run that for a little bit and then we'll be switching over to a 20G. We're gonna use a lot of this turbo right here in order to get it going. I'm heading to the car wash. Well, I'm not really heading. Daniel's heading to the car wash. He's towing me over there. We're moving this car out of storage. I gotta get it all sprayed down before we can take it home. That's the terms that my wife gave me, so I gotta go by what she says. You guys know how that goes. Today we're going to be cleaning the Talon. We're going to be focused on cleaning the interior. I got to get the seats out. I want to clean the carpet. I want to vacuum it all up. I want to make sure we don't have nothing in there that could be living in there, growing. So let's get to it. For those of you that don't know, this is Eliana. This is her car. And we went ahead and took the back seat out and the front seats. We left the tops in. We're just going to wipe those down. We're not going to take those out right now. I don't think it's too big of a deal. And the carpet actually doesn't look terrible. So I think what we're gonna do for now is we're just gonna vacuum everything up. And after we vacuum it, we'll go back and shampoo it and then see how it turns out. If it turns out good, we take out some of those stains. I think we'll be good for now. We're just trying to get it clean. That way we're not worrying about touching anything gross. It doesn't look like there's anything gross in there. Just the old car needs to be cleaned up. So we're gonna move on to that. There you go, Eliana. Got it all vacuumed up. Got both sides done. Go. Just taking her little break. Like I said before, we're slowly getting parts together for this car. We got a Evo 3 16G right here. Hopefully we'll be able to get that thing on pretty soon. It's in pretty good condition. We're gonna run that for a little bit and then we'll be switching over to a 20G. But we're gonna use a lot of this turbo right here in order to get it going. We're gonna use a lot of this turbo in order to get that thing put back together. We're gonna use this as the core we're gonna start with, and we're gonna turn it into a 20G. But that's coming later down the road. For now, we're just gonna use that to get it running and get it mobile. And then once it's all sorted out, we'll switch it over. That's gonna be it for today, guys. So hope you liked our quick little video. This coronavirus is no joke, so guys, y'all stay safe. And if you don't gotta go anywhere, just stay home. We'll see you next time.